Welcome. It's my birthday weekend and I got an Airbnb downtown Seattle and I want to give you a little tour. Television, lots more chairs, TV, outdoor speakers, garden area, more chairs, another kitchen, barbecue area. And here's the view from the rooftop. So nice. Everybody's going to work. Here's a bathroom and our room with a view of Lake Union. Really cool glass door that hangs on rod. Full kitchen, full size refrigerator and microwave, dishwasher. So tons of cabinet space on both sides of, and we have washer and dryer. Big closet. This is our view from our room. Little balcony just to hang out, and this is the space of the balcony. Just to hang out and say hi to everyone who drives by. And of course, me and my girlfriends were hanging out, hanging over. And our living room area. Very intimate. Yay! Photo booth. And the gym I worked out in this morning. We worked out in there. And it has a bowling alley. You'll get to see. Our bowling alley with televisions and projector screens. That was really cool. Very cool. Wow, it was so warm in here. Lots of chairs. Again, lots of great places to sit. It's Isn't this cool?